Welcome to 213 Sterling, home of the Influence Agency, right in Toronto's Art District.
We're right by the Museum of Contemporary Art. See?
This space is packed with history, character, and energy that fuels everything that we do. Let's head inside. This is where the magic happens. Brainstorm, strategy, and coffee-fueled creativity. Steven! Serious business going on here, or maybe just a debate about the best local lunch spot. Sometimes the best ideas come from a quiet moment with a good book. Welcome to our little creative recharge station. We call it the library because, well, it's just often a quiet place to come work and think. Creators, this one's for you. From video production to podcast, this is where the big ideas come to life. Okay, too much power. 213 Sterling Road isn't just an office, it's a space where creativity, collaboration, and community come together. Whether you're visiting, working with us, or just curious, we hope to see you soon.